Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Hassan Saeed and I welcome you all at WebDoc Health Session. Today I am going to discuss a topic with you that is known as kidney stones disease, because this disease is related to lumbar region or the quadrant of the abdomen. So we have to discuss about the kidney stone disease in detail. Kidney stone disease takes place when the piece of the solid material like a stone occurs in the urinary tract. Stones are mostly formed in the kidney and leaves the body through the urinary stream. Small sized stones can be passed without causing any symptoms. But if the stone size is greater than 5 mm or 0.2 inches, it can obstruct the ureter. Let's talk about the classification of the kidney stones. Kidney stones are classified according to the location they are present in or the composition they are made up of. So first of all, we will discuss about the classification related to location. If the kidney stones are present in the kidney, they are known as the nephrolithiasis. If they are present in the ureter, they are known as the urolithiasis. Or if they are present within the bladder, they are known as the cystolithiasis. Now let's talk about the composition they are made up of. Kidney stones can be of calcium oxalate, uric acid, struve or xanthine. Now let's talk about the symptoms. The most important symptom is pain. Pain will be excruciating in nature, intermittent, radiating from the flank towards the groin into the inner thigh. Other symptom includes urinary urgency, restlessness, nausea, vomiting, or in severe cases hematuria. Now let's discuss about the risk factors. Dehydration is the leading cause or the risk factor of the kidney stone formation. Obesity is the major risk factor for the kidney stone disease. Other risk factor includes high animal protein diet, usage of the salts or the consumption of the sodium. Grapefruit juice or the apple juice can be the risk factors as well. Now let's discuss about the prevention. You can prevent kidney stone disease by increasing in the total fluid volume to make the urine output of more than 2 liters per day. Avoid consumption of the high protein animal diet. Citric acid usage, lime or the lemon juice can be the richest sources for the citric acid. Moderate calcium supplements. Avoid usage of the vitamin C supplements. Avoid the consumption of the cola soft drinks. Now if you are having the pain or the symptoms of the kidney stone disease, you have to call your WebDoc doctor for the further assistance, because the treatment of the kidney stone disease depends upon the location, size and the composition of these stones. That's all for today. Thank you so very much. Keep sharing this video, subscribe our channel. Allah Hafiz.